So you bought a Bosch dishwasher and spent a decent amount of money on it, and it's developed a problem. Either it's got water at the bottom, or it's beeping with an error and you don't know what it is. And though Bosch makes really good dishwashers, the manual's really not much of a help when there's a problem. So I'm going to walk you through 8 problems and 8 solutions to those problems, which you can solve yourself without needing to call a technician. Let's get into it. Well, this is a problem that freaks out a lot of people. You open the door after a cycle and there's a pool of dirty water at the bottom. And what 9 times out of 10 is because of the filter. Bosch dishwashers have a multi-layer filter system which is at the base of the tub, and this filter system needs to be cleaned regularly. Most people don't even touch it. Naturally, food and debris builds up and it blocks the drain, which is why water has nowhere to go and it ends up becoming a pool of dirty water at the bottom of the dishwasher. The solution is quite simple. Just pull out the bottom rack, then twist the cylindrical filter counterclockwise, then lift it out and take a look at the filter. If it is dirty and clogged, which it probably is, rinse it under warm water, scrub it gently with a soft brush, and then put it right back, and this problem should be solved. But if it is not solved by it, then you can go and check the drain hose at the back of the dishwasher. If there's a kink or there's a blockage in the hose, it will prevent the water from draining out and it will get collected at the bottom. Fix it and the water problem gets solved. Remember that you might also see E24 or E25 error codes. This is Bosch's way of telling you that there's a drain issue, and it's the same fix. Start with the filter. If that's not it, go and check the hose. So that was how to solve the problem of standing water at the bottom of the Bosch dishwasher. So that's problem number 1. Now let's get on to problem number 2, the E15 error code. And this error code is a little alarming because the machine just stops. The dishwasher will stop doing anything. It will show E15 and just lock up. This E15 means that water has leaked into the base tray, which is the bottom pan that is there underneath the dishwasher. As soon as this happens, the safety sensor called AquaStop trips. And as soon as this trips, it kills the cycle but keeps the drain pump running. This doesn't mean that the machine is broken. It's just that the Bosch dishwasher is trying to protect your floor. The fix to this is quite simple. First of all, unplug the dishwasher and then tilt it backwards at roughly a 45-degree angle and hold it there. You can even prop something in the front to keep it at that angle. You will then hear water draining out from the base, and as soon as this happens, the E15 error clears out. The sensor clears out and the E15 error disappears. For most of you, that's it. The error is taken care of and we are done. But here's what you're missing. Why did the water collect in the base at all? What is the reason for this problem? And the most common reasons are clogged filter that's causing a backflow. Next, it could be a damaged door gasket. And another problem could be using too much detergent. And we'll talk more about this one a little later. The third problem is when dishes don't get cleaned. So you've got a Bosch dishwasher, it runs a full cycle, and the dishes come out with food stuck on them. This is seriously frustrating, especially since you bought a Bosch. So one of the first things you need to look at is your spray arms. These are the spinning things that actually shoot water at your dishes. If you take a look at these spray arms and see that the holes are clogged with mineral deposits or debris, water cannot spray properly, so what you have to do is clean them with a toothpick or a wire. The second reason for this can be how you have loaded your dishes. Sounds very obvious, but if your dishes have been loaded in such a way that the spray arms are blocked with tall pots or placing bowls facing upward, which means that they'll collect water instead of drain it, these are real problems. The spray arms need a clear path to spin and spray. The third possible reason could be, and this is something that is a little surprising, make sure that the water is hot enough when it enters the machine. Bosch dishwashers don't heat water from cold. They basically top up the temperature. So if your home water heater is set to low, the wash water from the sprays won't be hot enough to cut through the grease properly. Problem number 4 is dishes not drying. Many Bosch dishwasher owners think that their Bosch is broken because their dishes come out wet. But in reality, their dishwashers are not broken. Those users are just expecting the wrong thing. Bosch does not use a heating element to dry dishes. It uses condensation drying. Hot water heats up the dishes during the final rinse. The door holds in the heat and the moisture condenses on the cooler stainless steel walls and drains away. It works, but it's slower and less dramatic than hot air blasting at your dishes. And there are 2 things that will make it better. First is Rinse Aid. This is a non-negotiable with Bosch. Without it, water beads on your dishes instead of sheeting off. That means you will have wet dishes every single time. So check the rinse aid indicator on your dishwasher's door, and if it's empty, fill it up. The second thing that makes it better is not expecting plastic to come out dry. That's because plastic doesn't hold heat the way ceramic and glass do, so plastic will always come out damp. That's not a defect. However, some newer Bosch models have auto air. This makes the door pop open slightly at the end of the cycle to let the steam out. If yours doesn't have this, then just crack open the door yourself at the end of the cycle, and this will make a real difference. Problem number 5 is white residue or spots on dishes. You open the dishwasher after cycle and your glasses look cloudy. Your plates have a white film on them. Everything actually looks worse than when it went in, and the reason is hard water. Essentially, mineral deposits, mostly calcium, is left behind on the dishes as the water evaporates. Your first fix, once again, is rinse aid. This breaks the surface tension of water so it runs off cleanly instead of leaving behind mineral spots. But if you are in a hard water area and rinse aid is not cutting it, then what will help you is the fact that Bosch dishwashers in many markets have a water softener built in, which uses dishwasher salt. So if you haven't been adding salt, you need to actually check in your manual about your specific model. And this is worth double checking as it varies from region to region. Some markets don't need it, some absolutely do need it. Another thing to check is what detergent you're using. Cheap powders can actually leave a residue. Tablets with built-in rinse aid work better with hard water, but this still doesn't completely replace the rinse aid dispenser. Problem number 6 is the dishwasher is leaking. If you see water on your kitchen floor, you're looking at a bad day, regardless of what caused it. If it was your Bosch dishwasher, then the most common culprit is the door gasket, the rubber seal that runs around the inside of the door. It can get brittle or crack or just collect so much debris that it stops forming a proper seal. All you have to do is pull it back gently and look for cracks or damage. If it's dirty, clean it with a damp cloth. If it's cracked or damaged or broken, it needs to be replaced. And for this, your best option is to call a technician unless you're comfortable with appliance DIY. There's another thing that causes leaking, which is something that people never expect: the wrong detergent. If by mistake you use regular dish soap instead of dishwasher detergent, you will create a foam explosion inside the dishwasher, and this foam will push through the door seal and out onto your floor. So always use dishwasher-specific detergent. And another thing is don't overload. Dishes pressed against a door seal during a cycle can push water past it. Problem number 7. It just won't start. Will turn on. You press a start button and nothing happens, or it beeps and the red info light flashes. This red light flashing at the bottom of the door is Bosch's way of telling you that the door isn't properly latched. So the first thing you should do is push it firmly until you hear a click. Sounds simple, but it's the answer more times than you'd think. If the entire control panel is completely unresponsive, then first thing you should do is check if the child lock is activated. This child lock setting locks all the buttons. You can set it off by accident quite easily. Deactivating it is quite simple. Check the manual for how to deactivate it. It's usually holding a specific button for a few seconds. If even after this there's nothing, it still won't start, then you have to try and reset it. For this, just turn off the circuit breaker for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. A lot of the time, these electronic problems of not starting or other things clear themselves after a hard reset. And if you still see that none of this has worked, then there's a good chance that the door latch is faulty. That means the Bosch dishwasher can't tell when the door is closed, and this requires a replacement. Problem number 8 is that you're getting a bad smell from the dishwasher. It's smelling like old food or worse, like mildew. And now all the dishes that come out of it, they also have a slight smell which is like the old food or mildew smell coming out of the dishwasher. The first place to check, as always, is the filter. A dirty filter that is trapping food particles is the #1 cause of a bad smell in Bosch dishwashers. Just clean the filter. We talked about it when we were talking about problem number 1. Just clean it with warm water. The second thing you can do is wipe down the door gasket. Do it all the way around. Include the folds. This rubber seal is a place where there can be mold and mildew, and if you've never cleaned it, then it could be the reason you're getting the smell no matter how many times you run cycles. And one more thing you can do to prevent this is to run a maintenance cycle every month. Empty the dishwasher, hot wash with a dishwasher cleaner, or even using a cup of white vinegar in a dishwasher-safe container on the top rack. This will flush out grease and residue from the hoses and internal components. One more thing you can do is to not leave the door completely shut when not in use. A bit of airflow stops mildew from taking hold. So there you have it, 8 problems and 8 fixes. Most of these you can sort out yourself in under half an hour. The one thing that shows up in most of the problems in this list is the filter. So clean it once a month. This will probably help you to avoid half of everything on this list just by cleaning it once a month. If you're dealing with something more serious, like the drain pump has broken down, the inlet valve is faulty, then it's best for you to call a technician. It's easy for you to find the Bosch support number if you're in the US. Do a quick Google search, you'll get it. So that's it. If this video helped you, do give it a thumbs up. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.